Imagine walking into a factory and seeing a machine so complicated that it costs more than a luxury skyscraper apartment. A machine so advanced that only one company on Earth knows how to build it. A machine that determines whether humanity can continue making faster computers, smarter AI, and more powerful technology. That machine exists, and the company that builds it is ASML. Most people have never heard of ASML. It doesn't make smartphones. It doesn't sell laptops. It doesn't operate social media platforms. Yet without ASML, companies like Apple, Nvidia, Intel, Samsung, and TSMC would struggle to build the advanced chips that power the modern world. ASML has quietly become one of the most important companies in human history. This is the story of how one company achieved something almost impossible in modern business. A near-total monopoly over the technology that powers the digital age, the tiny brains running the world. To understand ASML, we first need to understand semiconductors. Every smartphone, computer, gaming console, car, and AI system depends on tiny computer chips. These chips contain billions of microscopic transistors that process information. The more transistors engineers can fit onto a chip, the more powerful that chip becomes. For decades, the technology industry has raced to make transistors smaller and smaller. Today's most advanced chips contain features measured in just a few nanometers. A nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter. At that scale, manufacturing becomes unbelievably difficult. How do you carve billions of tiny patterns onto a piece of silicon? The answer is a process called lithography. Think of lithography as a super advanced printing process. Instead of printing words on paper, it prints microscopic circuits onto silicon wafers, and this is where ASML enters the story. The most important machine you've never seen. ASML builds lithography machines. That sounds simple. It isn't. Its most advanced machines use a technology called extreme ultraviolet lithography, or EUV. These machines use light with a wavelength of just 13.5 nanometers to print incredibly tiny patterns onto silicon wafers. Without EUV, producing the most advanced chips becomes much more expensive, slower, and less efficient. In simple terms, EUV is the reason modern chips can continue getting smaller and more powerful. And here's the shocking part. ASML is the only company on Earth that can manufacture these machines at scale. It effectively holds a 100% monopoly on EUV lithography systems. Every advanced chip factory in the world depends on ASML. Why does one machine cost hundreds of millions? Most expensive machines cost a few $1,000,000. ASML's latest EUV machines can cost more than $300 million, and some next-generation systems exceed $400 million. Why? Because these may be the most complicated machines humanity has ever built. An EUV system contains over 100,000 individual parts. It weighs roughly 150 to 180 tons. Transporting one requires dozens of containers and specialized cargo aircraft. The machine must operate with astonishing precision. A tiny vibration can ruin an entire manufacturing process. A microscopic error can destroy millions of dollars worth of production. To make EUV light, powerful lasers fire at tiny droplets of molten tin tens of thousands of times every second. The resulting plasma generates the special ultraviolet light needed for chip manufacturing. The mirrors inside the machine are so smooth that even the smallest imperfection would make them unusable. Some experts compare their precision to science fiction, yet ASML somehow makes all these parts work together. How ASML built an untouchable monopoly. Most monopolies don't last forever. Competitors usually appear, so why hasn't anyone caught ASML? The answer is simple: time. ASML spent decades developing EUV technology. For years, many experts believed EUV was impossible. The engineering challenges seemed too difficult. The costs were enormous. The risks were massive. But ASML kept investing. Billions of dollars went into research and development. Thousands of engineers worked on problems that had never been solved before. While competitors hesitated, ASML moved forward. By the time the industry realized EUV would work, ASML had already built a giant lead. Today, any company hoping to compete would need decades of research, billions of dollars, thousands of patents, and access to an incredibly specialized supply chain. That creates one of the strongest competitive advantages in modern business: the global supply chain behind one machine. Interestingly, ASML doesn't build everything itself. In fact, Many of the machine's most critical components come from specialized suppliers across Europe, America, and Asia. This creates a fascinating flow of goods. Precision mirrors come from specialized manufacturers. Lasers come from highly advanced suppliers. Thousands of components travel across countries before reaching ASML's facilities in the Netherlands. Only then can the final machine be assembled. This is a perfect example of goods flow. Raw materials become components. Components become subsystems. Subsystems become one of the most advanced machines ever created. And that machine eventually helps create the chips powering your phone. Data flow. Now let's look at the data flow. Every second, billions of people generate data. Messages, videos, searches, photos, prompts, online purchases. That data flows through servers, smartphones, computers, and data centers. But every step of that journey depends on advanced semiconductors. And so semiconductors depend on ASML machines. In a way, ASML sits at the beginning of the entire digital information chain. Without advanced chips, data cannot be processed efficiently. Without chip manufacturing, AI cannot expand. Without EUV machines, the most advanced chips become much harder to produce. This places ASML at a critical choke point in the global technology ecosystem. The financial flow nobody talks about. The financial side is just as incredible. A single EUV machine can generate hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue. Customers wait years for delivery. The world's largest chip makers compete for access to these systems. Companies like TSMC, Intel, Samsung, and SK Hynix spend billions securing future deliveries. When AI demand increases, chip demand increases. When chip demand increases, demand for ASML machines increases. That creates an enormous financial flow moving through the semiconductor industry. The result? ASML has become one of the most valuable technology companies in Europe. Investors understand that the entire digital economy depends on tools ASML provides. The geopolitical battle for ASML. Now the story becomes even more dramatic, because ASML isn't just a technology company anymore. It's a geopolitical asset. The United States, Europe, and China all understand the importance of advanced semiconductors. Whoever controls advanced chip production gains enormous economic and technological advantages. As a result, export controls have become a major issue. The United States has pushed restrictions on selling the most advanced lithography technology to China. This has turned ASML into a key player in the growing technology competition between major world powers. China wants access to cutting-edge chip manufacturing. The United States wants to maintain technological leadership. Europe wants to protect one of its most valuable companies. Suddenly, a machine built in the Netherlands became a strategic asset with global consequences. Can anyone replace ASML? This is the question governments, investors, and competitors constantly ask. The honest answer: not anytime soon. Companies like Canon and Nikon continue working on alternative technologies. Researchers around the world are exploring new approaches. China is investing heavily in domestic semiconductor equipment development. But catching ASML won't be easy. The company's lead isn't measured in months, it's measured in decades. Many analysts believe meaningful competition remains years away, largely because reproducing ASML's expertise, supply chain, and technology is one of the hardest industrial challenges on Earth. Why this matters to you? You may never buy an ASML machine. You may never visit one of its factories. You may never even see one in person, but your future is connected to ASML, the next generation of AI. Future medical technologies, advanced robotics, quantum computing, faster smartphones, more powerful computers. All depend on continued progress in semiconductor manufacturing. And right now, ASML sits at the center of that progress. A single company in a relatively small country quietly controls one of the most important technologies ever created. ASML proves that the most powerful companies aren't always the most famous. While the world focuses on smartphones, social media, and artificial intelligence, ASML quietly builds the machines that make all those industries possible. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating stories about technology, business, and the hidden systems that shape our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.